Hey there folks, it is me RandomJosh and we are back again with another Face Mask Friday video. And today, you know me, we're getting close to Christmas season, okay? Let's be real. I have here a lovely little package. It is from my friend Indigo Rosee. Woo! I'm very behind schedule on like new upcoming kind of thingies that have been released. So how long has it been? I don't even know how long they've been out, but the half lashes have been out for a hot second. And finally I wanted to actually have a little look at them and obviously get some of my own because hey, it's me, you know what I'm like, and also because we love supporting small businesses. Righty, here we go. Classic, got the little cards and stuff. Oh, this is a new one, I've not seen this one I don't think. Thank you for choosing to support IRB. Now more than ever, did you know that you can support any small business for free by sharing a picture of your order and tagging Indigo Rosee Beauty on Instagram? Whether you have 10 followers or 100,000, you could help someone become the newest IRB customer and allow us to showcase our small business even further. Lots of love, Tori T. God bless. So I did stock up quite a bit on varying lashes, but the main stars, what's that? There's a little red heart in there, that's cute. I think that just kind of accidentally fell in there, but that is really cute. Righty, so yeah, we have two new lashes. We have Espresso and we have Mocha. So very coffee themed, love that. Now these are half lashes, so they're not going to be like the full shebang if I'm correct. So this is Mocha. These are really pretty. So you can kind of get a little bit in there. See, they're quite like cute, smallish lash. I definitely say these are a lot more natural vibes. They're obviously quite lengthy, but they're quite like splayed out, so it's a lot more the natural look. So those are cute. And then we have Espresso. Now these are a little bit fuller. You can definitely see how much fuller they are. A lot more crazy. I wouldn't say crazy. I feel like the thing with like a half lash is that they're more designed to obviously just add a little bit of something on the outer corners. But I mean, these are gorgeous lashes. So what else can I say? Hello. So yeah, these lashes retail for £6. Often I know Tori does a lot of different kind of like discounts and stuff, especially on like boxless ones. So like you literally just basically get this instead of like the full box. But those usually end up quite a bit cheaper if you are looking for smaller, cheaper alternatives. I always go for the boxes just because I feel like it adds to the aesthetic and it keeps them nice and safe and secure. And I do love the packaging, it's so cute. Gorgeous little packages. But yeah, so if you are looking for things like maybe a stocking filler, for someone who's very much into makeup and particularly lashes, definitely give these a go. Really lovely lashes, some great styles, not just these ones, but obviously we're here specifically today to talk about Mocha and Espresso, but they do have a lot of different lashes But if you are in the market for half lashes, hello. Hello. Right, so we're gonna give the lashes a bit of a whirl. I'm gonna probably just do a bit of something different this time around as well, because we've only got 2 lashes here. I am actually just gonna like do one on each side, so you can see like the side by side comparison, and all that shebang. So I've got my Duo Glue. I've also got this Be Perfect Lash Out black mascara that we'll just use. So yeah, let me just get everything prepared. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, so we're gonna take Mocha first. I always get a little bit scared taking these out of the packaging in case I absolutely break them. Okay, let me just apply a little bit of mascara in advance. Don't need to heavily coat them. Just want to apply a little bit, just to give them a little something. And it helps to grab the lash as well, gives it something to grab too. Right, let's get this going. Wow. Ooh, she's looking cute. Right, we'll just let that dry a little bit, and then we'll be able to like properly get it aligned. But while that is drying, let's get on Espresso. Voila, that went straight on. Again, we'll just give it a second to like properly dry down before we start like playing around with it and making sure that it's like in the correct angles and stuff. Let me just have a look at this one though. So I mean, looking at this side, she's looking cool. Obviously I've got a tiny bit of mascara on the inner corner, but like not really enough to blend it, so I might just quickly apply a little bit more. But yeah, she looks really cute. Gives just like a nice subtle like lift to the eye. We've got this side, which should hopefully be a little bit more dried in now. Yeah. Which I didn't actually apply any mascara to either. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit now. So you can see this side is obviously a lot darker and more like, whereas this is just like a lot more like natural, very like, it's still big, but this one just looks crazier. I definitely suggest like putting the line, like some liner on or something, especially where these are half lashes. You can kind of like see the band on both of them, that is, as well. But no, I think they look really cool. I don't know about you, but I am feeling the fantasy, darling. Ooh. Sorry, I'm just feeling myself. But yeah, I guess it's very much like a dependable what your mood is. Me being me, I always go for both because like I like to have variations, because some days I might just be feeling like, let me just add a little something subtle to just whip out the eye. But the other times I might be like, I'm going full on out, I need something a bit more like this, a bit more dramatic, a bit more edgy. And it just really helps to kind of create that like natural fox eye look as such, because it kind of creates a bit more dimensionality on the outer portion whereas the inner eye, you don't need to be worrying about like having fake lashes. Like sometimes they can jab into your eye a little bit in the inner corner, so this just really helps with that. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on these. Have you ever tried half lashes before? Have you got a particular idea on like what to do with them? What's the vibe? I personally love these and I think they're really cute. But then again, I've never tried a half lash prior to this. So, you know, maybe that has made my opinion a little bit like swayed one way or the other. But I do like these. I think these just help to add that nice little pop of something. And £6, honestly, it's not break the bank amount. You know, do you know what I mean? Like, for a small business to be giving you something like of this element for that amount of money, hello? Get on it. So yeah, if you would like to see these particular lashes, but also just some general Indigo Rosee goodness, definitely get on down in the description below. There'll be some links to these particular products, but also there'll be some links to some of the socials for Tori as well, if you want to keep up with new releases, with fun content. You may even see me on there. Oh. Yeah, definitely check them all out. But yeah, thank you all so much for sticking tuned with today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, of course, please do head on down below, click on that subscribe button, join the family, and hit that notification bell also to be notified of when I do post future videos such as this. Hopefully I will be coming back a little bit more. Some of my more recent videos will probably explain a little bit more on why I've not been as active and why I've been a bit distant. But yeah, fingers crossed there will be some more fun, chaotic videos coming your way very soon. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And yeah, just thank you again, and I will see each and every one of you folks in the next video. Peace out, bitches.